Hi guys! Rest day ko today kaya samahan niyo akong sunduin si Kyrene sa kanyang school. Bigyan ko na rin kayo ng idea kung paano ang education system dito sa Australia. Meron po silang public and private schools dito. Dito sa Tasmania, kung ikaw ay permanent resident or citizen, pag nag-aral ang anak mo sa state school, libre po. Kung sa private school naman, ay regardless of residency status, ay pare-pareho kayo ng babayaran. Currently, nasa year 1 si Kyrene at ang tuition fee niya ay 4,190 for the whole year. Pwede rin itong bayaran ng installment. Ang klase pala nila ay mag-start ng 9 in the morning at matatapos ng 3:10 in the afternoon. Isa sa mga nakakatuwa sa sistema ay pinopromote nila yung equality. Aside sa mga uniforms, ay pare-pareho din sila ng mga school supplies including yung mga bag, mga notebooks, and mga pens. It means pantay-pantay lang silang lahat. They aim to create welcoming environments that respect and celebrate cultural diversity and individual differences. Kaya naman talagang nasusuportahan yung holistic development ng mga bata. Kaya eto, kamustahin natin ang araw ni Bagets.
Oh, how's school, anak? Good. I have a question for you.
Yes, what?
Yeah. Who's the smartest in school?
No one.
No one. Why?
Because we're still learning.
We're still learning. Walang pinakamagaling?
Wala.
Everyone is magaling ba?
Yeah,
Ah,
but konti lang.
konti lang. Nag-enjoy ka?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
They emphasize play-based learning that allows children to learn through play and discovery, fostering their cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development in a natural and engaging way.